How to restore deleted Viber messages on iPhone. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Viber is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner and then move into Settings. Here inside Settings, head over to Account. Click on Viber Backup. Now in here it says, back up your chat history so it's always safe. Restore your chat history when reinstalling Viber on another iOS device. In order to recover your history, including your deleted messages, what you want to do is, first of all open iPhone settings. Choose iCloud and make sure you are signed in. After that, you have to set the iCloud drive to on. And then you have to make sure that the Viber backup is switched to on. So once you are signed in to your iCloud, the option of backup in this page will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and wait for a while for it to complete. Once the file has been backed up, you need to move into that file, and then in there, you will also be able to see all of your deleted messages, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can restore Viber messages on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.